Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haifan Nandan Andriana. I'm from A2. My student ID is 22220064. In this video, I would like to present about analysis course book of the 9th grade Think Globally, Act Locally with the Koningsword model. Number 1. Aims and approaches. The objectives of the Think Globally, Act Locally textbook are in accordance with the objectives of the teaching program and the needs of students in accordance with KI and KD. This textbook is suitable for learning and teaching situations that allow students to practice communicative practices and competencies. This textbook does not cover all the needs of teachers and students because there is a need for supporting materials from other references or textbooks, such as adapting some of the text used as material from encyclopedia books and also other reference sources such as the internet, magazines, and YouTube. This textbook is suitable for grade 9 and is fairly flexible for all classes in junior high school because the language used is everyday language. Number 2. Design and organization. The components that make up the overall course package include the teacher's book and the student's book. The textbook content is organized in chapter form. The content is sorted by chapters which contain different topics and materials. The assessment in the textbook is suitable for students because there is individual as well as group learning that can train students to work independently and in groups. There are revisions to this textbook. In addition, there is a reference section in this textbook such as listening, so that students can access references in addition to this book. The layout is clear, structured, and also attractive, such as the display of colorful images and tables. Number 3. Language content. The textbooks cover the main grammar items appropriate for each student's level of grade 9. The teaching materials are adequate in terms of number and range because the words used are easy to understand. And also, the materials used make it easy for teachers to convey them to students. The textbook contains materials for pronunciation practice. The textbook discusses structuring and conversation in the learning process using a dictionary to spell words and using correct punctuation. The language style in the textbook is appropriate to the social situation, such as in Chapter 5, where it discusses communicating ongoing activities at the time of speaking, at the time in the past, and at a time in the future using example conversations that discuss daily life. Number 4. Skills. The 4 skills in this book are adequately covered. Each chapter is always integrated with all 4 skills, such as listening activities, after which students are directed to reading activities, then speaking activities, and finally directed to writing activities. In addition, there are also some skills that duplicate directly, such as writing activities, merging with speaking activities, and also reading. The reading section is adjusted to the interests and levels of students. Listening material is well recorded using YouTube Media by including a link in the book which can be downloaded and listened to by students anytime and anywhere. Besides that, listening material is sharpened through the teacher's voice or presentation. Oral material is well designed to equip students in real life, such as being taught how to express hopes and desires to others, congratulate others on their luck and achievements, where this application can be very useful for their daily lives. The writing activities are appropriate to the number and level of the students. The activities vary as students are asked to write based on the prompt of each topic, and also students are asked to write a reflection in each chapter. Number 5. Topic. This book features interesting and relevant topics in relation to daily life interactions. The topics vary, featuring different topics and not repeating in each chapter. They include topics such as congratulations, healthy life, and others. The topics help broaden students' awareness as the material is closely related to daily life. The topics are quite sophisticated in context because almost all students are familiar with the topics given. Students can understand the social and cultural context represented in terms of location in Indonesia, social customs, handshake, congratulate, age group, children, teenagers and adults, and ethnicity, local ethnicity in Indonesia. Women and men are depicted and presented equally without differentiating between the two. This can be seen in the images that combine the figures of women and men, which can be seen in the image in each conversation. Number 6. Methodology. The learning approach methodology used in this book is inductive. The level of active student engagement expected and emphasized in speaking. Most of the activities involve speaking skills and also focus more on reading and writing. The techniques used to present or practice the new language are dialogue text, example tables, and pictures. The material in this book includes suggestions for teachers on ways and steps for present the material to students and provide clear explanations and instructions for students. Number 7. Teacher's Book. There are adequate guidelines that can be used to guide teachers and supporting the materials that contain how to deliver material based on each activity in the textbook, making it easier for teachers in the learning process. The teacher's book is comprehensive and supports teachers in teaching because with the guidance of the book, teachers are not confused about what to do because the step-by-step is clear. The book includes what teaching techniques should be used, the approach that should be used, and what the teacher should say during the teaching and learning session. In addition, there are language materials such as grammar rules and information related to culture such as cultural information about Sangkuriang folktale. The author explains and justifies the basic premises and principles underlying the materials such as subject matter, social function, text structure, linguistic elements, and topics. The book provides an answer key for each exercise. The last is practical consideration. The price of this book is realistically cheap and affordable in the price range of 20,000 to 13,000 depending on each region. Looking at the quality of the thick cover and decent paper, it looks like the book will be strong and durable. This book is easily available from offline and online stores. Apart from being available in print book form, it is also available in electronic book form, making it easier for users to download for free easily anytime and anywhere. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.